Customize entry points to make web stories stand out. Entry points have design elements that help readers instantly identify web stories. Use portrait orientation for all poster images. This will help readers identify web stories quickly. Give poster images rounded corners. The ideal radius of rounded corners varies depending on how large a poster image is. Page stacks consist of 2 lines behind a poster image. These lines symbolize the experience of tapping through the pages of a web story. A web story icon helps readers instantly identify web stories. Icon can go in any corner of a poster image. Author image help readers find web stories by their favorite authors. Write web stories headlines in your brand's tone and voice. Keep headlines short. To learn more about each web story entry point, subscribe to our YouTube channel.